Good afternoon. Today I'm going to show you how to toggle on your optimized page load feature on your Simplebooklet. The first thing you'll do is head over to your dashboard and then go into design. And then from there you'll go to settings, which is the last icon on the left-hand menu. And then from here you will go to optimize page load, and this is where you toggle on and off that feature. I recommend toggling it on for all your Simplebooklets, but especially for large documents that you're using on Simplebooklet. And this is an excellent way to optimize the performance of your Simplebooklet. And for your reader, what they will feel is a very, very quick load time. And so on our end, what Simplebooklet does is they actually wait to load the page until the reader is ready for that page. But on their end, what they'll experience is just no delays. And so this can be just one extra thing you can do to enhance the overall performance of your document. So I highly recommend doing that. And this is where you go to do it. Okay, thanks very much.